it cranks but it doesn't start. So it's scanning the whole system and see if there is any issue with it. Do auto scan and scan the whole system. To report. Then full level circuit. Okay, so I'll erase the fault code. So now I'll go into the engine system. Read fault code. There's no fault code. Go to live data and see if I can find any fuel pressure. Here is the vehicle. It cranks. Yeah, but it doesn't stay on. Doesn't stay on. So now I've located the fuel pump. And this is where the fuel pump is. So the machine tells me it turns on. Cranking I'm in there. You see, yeah. Okay, so now the fuel pump turns on and turns off. So I've located the fuel pump. And I'll take the socket out and test. But first I have to go to the fuse. I have to go to the trunk and check the fuel pump fuse. So the machine tells me that the fuel pump comes on. It really tells me the fuel pump comes on. And the fuel pump fuse is this. Is the seat number. So it's on. So then I have to go and check if the relay turns on. Then why is it that there is no power here? So I have to take it out and take the socket out. So I took the socket out and this is the pin. So this ones are for the fuel pump. This is the positive side and this is the negative side and this is the positive side. So I'll place my test lamp in it and see if it works. So I connect my test lamp to it. Making a sound view. So you see I'm not getting any power from this side. I'm not getting any power on the fuel pump. So now I'm going to jump start the fuel pump directly. Let me see. So I'm going to place my pins in and start the vehicle and see. Connect power direct to the fuel pump to check if it will be running. So if you can hear the noise, the fuel pump is running. So if you can hear the noise, that means the fuel pump is working. That means the fuel pump is working. So we'll give the fuel pump a direct power. Then I'll try and start the vehicle. If it will start. Kwame, kase faka na daka. Faka. So now the vehicle is running. Yeah, because now the fuel pump has been given power direct. So it's not an issue with the fuel pump. So whenever we stop giving it power, within a short time the car will stop running. So now the fuel pump is working. So I think I have to check the electrical system, and I'm getting power on the fuse box, but I'm not getting power at the end of the pump. Use Michelin to diagnose and check our wiring diagram. So we'll go next so that we can find the fuel pump. So here is the fuel pump. Zoom in. So here is the fuel pump itself. The fuel pump unit. So it has these two wire. One is ground and one is power. So now I have to check for power coming to the system. So I have to trace pin 20 out. So 20, then unlock this, then see 20, and then 15 here. So go to the next page, zoom it out, 15, pull it down and see. So it goes to the fuel pump relay. That's the 15. It goes to this fuel pump relay, and there is the fuse that I went and checked, fuse 6 at the trunk, and it's okay. It's 20 amps and it's working. So now I have to go and check the fuse. I have to go and check the relay, and they've not labeled the relay, the relays, so you wouldn't know the actual relay. So I have to go and check the relay and know which one. So and know which relay goes to it. So because I don't know the relay, the position of this relay, so I'll do a test. I'll do a test to test and see if I can find this relay. Okay. I came here to search for the fuel pump relay. So go to electrical, go to component location, then fuel pump relay fake in the power distribution center, fake 52. So zoom out and find for the fuel pump relay. This fuse 6, and this is the fuel pump relay. Okay, so we'll go and check it out and take the fuel pump. So this is the fuel pump relay. So I'll jump the fuel pump relay. So this is the fuel pump relay. I'll take out and check. So I'll test for power in fuse 30, and so we'll test for power. Let me set my multimeter to but it's 12.4 volt. So there is fuse 30 and it goes this way. So fuse 30 is this. So fuse 30 is this, and I'm getting the same voltage. So I'm going to jump fuse 30 and fuse 47 and see if I'll get the right voltage. So fuse 30 and fuse. Yes, this is how it goes. So fuse 30 and fuse 87. So let me check. So let me bring my tester and test. The test light is on.
When she comes to come and check it.
So I'll take this fuse out and see if I'll still get power. Yeah. So now the power is gone. There is no power here. So if I place the fuse in, which is fuse 6, that's where I get power. So that means this is my fuel pump relay, as the diagram showed me. So I'll jump it with a cable end. So now I have jumped the relay, and I'm going to check if, and wow, bravo, the light is on, which shows that the fuse is working. Oh wow. So now the light is on, which shows that the thing is working. So I come back and take it out and go and check, and it is on, it is off. So now that means that's the right relay. So that means I have continuity. So I think it will be a faulty relay. So I'll swap the relay and see if it will work. I'll go back to my diagram. And fix it. I'll go back to my diagram and check the wiring. Go there. So go back, back, crazy, back. Go to article, go to engine, wiring, wiring system, engine performance. And 2.7 liter engine. It's in wiring 4. Yeah, here's it. So zoom it out and check my wiring system, bro. So I'm supposed to get, let me see if I have to understand the system before I train any part to it. So 87, 14, go back, 14 to trace to 19, go back again, 19, whoosh, and it goes to what does it goes to? Yeah, the control unit, fuel pump relay activation, the control unit. So I have to test if I get power from it. So that is the power from the control unit. That's from fuse. That's from fuse 86. So I have to open the key and check if I'll get power from it. If I'll get power from it, and know what to do next before I throw in any relay to the system. So now I've connected this cable to fuse 86 and plug it back in place and check if it's going to work. So I'll connect my tester. I'll connect my tester. Maybe I'll try. When I place it at fuse, be a key. Yes, so I get power. I think. So when I jammed the fuse, when I jammed the relay, now the car is running. Do not start to be now the car is running. So the car is running, so I have to check it and know what's the actual problem. Tested the relay and it wasn't clicking, so I came here to test it with the horn relay. To test it with the horn relay. If the horn so that means the relay is faulty because we keep horning it. We keep horning it, but it's not working. So that means the relay is faulty. And when I place in the horn relay, it works. So when I place in this relay, the fuel pump relay, it doesn't work. Yeah, a simple test. Yeah. So I'll take the horn relay and fix it to the fuel pump relay. Yeah. So this is the horn relay. I'll fix it for the fuel pump relay. Then start the vehicle. I didn't need you anymore. Then start the vehicle. One patch of Gusu. So start the vehicle. Now the vehicle is running and it's a faulty relay. So I think I made wrong diagnosing by telling the customer that we have to get a new. And now the car is running. Now the horn is not working because I've sacrificed the horn relay for the car. The horn is not working. So now the car is running and everything is running. It's a faulty relay, and I don't know if these cars do have that problem with their relays. And now the engine is running perfectly. The engine is running perfectly. And the check engine light is on, so I'll diagnose and know why the check engine light is on. But now it is a fixed. Now the car is starting. So it's a faulty relay that prevented the car from starting. Thank you for watching. So I'll place this relay in so that later we will get the relay and fix it and change the horn relay for the customer. He called me that the car wasn't starting, so I'll tell him later up to get a new relay for her so that she can use it. Thank you for watching. Subscribe to my channel.